one there, and then you pull this back, and then you get to the other one. And then down here, one last one. And you pull this, and it should come out. Just like that. And these are the wires.
Just pull up.
You can pull the whole thing out, yeah, just twist. This one's just a little thing. You push in. I'm just gonna pull that one completely out. Now we're gonna hook this one up. Just like that. Gonna plug that in right there. Went in, I just had to close it. Okay, now we can put this back.